Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the right function in Excel. This function is similar to the left function, but instead of extracting characters from the beginning of a text string, the right function extracts a specified number of characters from the end right side of a text string. The right function is particularly useful when you need to isolate specific parts of text, such as extracting file extensions, the last names from full names, or suffixes from product codes. Let's dive in. Let's start with the syntax of the right function. Here's what each part means. Text. This is the text string or cell reference from which you want to extract characters. Numchars, optional. This specifies the number of characters you want to extract from the end of the text string. If omitted, Excel will return the last character. Now, let's look at our example. Suppose you have a list of full names in column A and you want to extract just the last name from each. In cell A1, you have the name John Smith. In cell B1, we'll enter our right formula. Start by typing =right. Next, we need to specify the text we want to extract from. Since the full name is in cell A1, we simply type A1. Finally, we'll specify the number of characters to extract. In this case, we'll extract the last 5 characters to get Smith. So we type 5 and close the parentheses. Press Enter, and Excel will return Smith. The complete formula in cell B1 is displayed on the screen. And there you have it. We've successfully used the right function to extract the last name from the full name. Let's consider a different scenario where you're working with a list of file names and you need to extract the file extensions. In column A, you have file names like document.xlsx. In cell B2, enter the formula =right A24 and press Enter. Excel will return XLX, extracting the file extension from the file name. The right function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Here are some practical applications. Extracting last names. Quickly isolate last names from a list of full names. File extensions. Extract file extensions for sorting or categorizing files. Product codes. Use right to extract suffixes or specific parts of a product code for analysis. That's it for today's tutorial on the right function in Excel.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.